زأر الأسود فك القيود زأر الأسود فك القيود ولترقبوا نصرا جديد.
Assalamu alaikum, Aki. Sorry I'm late.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu, brother. Brother, what happened to your beard?
What?
What happened to your beard?
Oh yeah, I went on a job interview the other day and I got the job, but they said they had a strict dress code and a long beard was not part of it. I just trimmed it so that it's not that bad. I still look like a Muslim.
You still look like a Muslim. How am I supposed to congratulate you on you getting a job, you being able to take care of your family, but you sacrificing the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you coming into the masjid without no beard?
Nah, I didn't completely shave, brother.
Shaving your beard is haram. And what about those pants? You're coming into the masjid drowning them, dragging them.
Nah, brother, I always wore.
Astaghfirullah. Astaghfirullah. You coming into the masjid dragging them pants, looking like a clown.
Now hold on, brother. I think you taking this a little too hard.
I ain't taking this too hard. This is a hadith. It's a hadith, brother. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you coming into the masjid. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that whatever is below the feet is in the hellfire. Whatever is below the ankles is in the hellfire.
I know that hadith, brother. It's cause it's.
Let me show you where your ankle is, brother. That's your ankle. You need to keep your pants between your shins and your ankle. This is your shin and this is your ankle. You keep it in between there. That's the sunnah.
Alright, brother, for real, you need to calm down.
Brother, you're too old to be taught by someone like me. That's the sunnah. You need to keep it. Calm down. Why not you calm down? The only thing that a person should get angry about is when the limits of Allah is transgressed. You transgressing the limits of Allah. This is a masjid. This is a masjid. You coming into the masjid, everybody else looking up to you. You coming in there, everybody gonna be proud saying he got a job, he got a job. He coming in with long pants.
You know what? You claim to know everything. Like
clean shaven, looking like a sister.
First of all, wearing the pants below the ankles is a sign of pride and arrogance. I'm not being proud or arrogant. I'm just rocking some pants, man. Every time I'm walking around, people still say salam to me because they recognize me as a Muslim brother. You got a problem with that?
Hey, yo, brothers, just chill, man. Just chill, man. Why these red faces? Talking about Islam shouldn't make you so angry and so arrogant. Why, look at you. You look like balloons in a cartoon. Rather, talking about Islam should lead to humility, because Islam is all about knowledge and action, and knowledge is precious. So let's talk about these issues. Let's learn this precious knowledge at our future class. Precious provisions.